Nucleus. Nucleus is the largest cell organelle. It was first discovered by Robert Brown in 1831. Usually there is only one nucleus per cell, but multinucleate cells are found in some algae, that is cenocyte. Some cells like sieve tubes of phloem and erythrocytes of mammals lack nucleus. A well-defined nucleus is present in eukaryotic cells. Nucleus has some changes in the cell division stage. The stage before cell division is called interphase. During this stage, nucleus has nuclear envelope, nucleoplasm, thread-like chromatin reticulum, and nucleolus. Nuclear envelope consists of two membranes, outer and inner. These two membranes are separated by a space called perinuclear space. At a number of places, nuclear membrane is interrupted by minute pores called nuclear pores. Movement of RNA and protein takes place through these pores. The nuclear matrix or nucleoplasm contains nucleolus and chromatin. Nucleoli are spherical bodies and their function is ribosomal RNA synthesis. Chromatins are long threads of DNA intertwined with proteins. But during cell division, the chromatin condenses to form chromosomes. They are condensed chromatin fibers. Each chromosome has a primary constitution called centromere. Sometimes chromosome has two DNA which are held together at the centromere. On either side of the centromere, two disc-shaped structures called kinetochore is present. During cell division, spindle fibers attach to the kinetochore. In some chromosome, a secondary constitution is present in addition to the primary constitution. In such case, a knob-like structure is seen at its top. It is called satellite. Based on the position of centromere, there are four types of chromosomes. They are 1. Metacentric chromosome. The centromere is at the middle of the chromosomes. That is, the arms are equal. 2. Submetacentric chromosome. The centromere is slightly away from the middle of the chromosome. That means one arm is slightly smaller than the other. 3. Acrocentric chromosome. The centromere is near the end of the chromosome. That means one arm is extremely short and the other is very long. Telocentric chromosome. The centromere is at the tip of the chromosome. That means one arm is absent.